Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The nights
Yes, my people. What I do? I don't know. Ask me, they ask a question. I don't know if when we used to go down a river as a youth, run from a yard, go down a river as a youth, if it was a culture, maybe not still a go on, one and two youth to do it, but to think of one culture, yeah man, I don't know. Yes, my people, we used to just get up, boom, and run off, boom, going down a river. We ride the bicycle and we build, we push cart or we draw cart out the box. Yeah man. I don't know. Yeah man, I think of culture. One of our culture just like how you said Walter culture. Bob Marley, them a part of our culture. Yeah man. Believe it man. Yeah man. Get up boom and run gone. Gone down a river. Gonna be the vibes. 2025 away. Just gonna live ramp all day. Eat sugar cane. All kind of food for the country. Yeah. And live some kind of life. Youth and do it again. Them disappear. Them gonna rum bar and drink boom and rum. Bun split. Live a different life. Game on phone, yeah man. You see it up, boom bam. Live it like that man. Crazy. Natural living. Strong and healthy. Yeah man. You can live like that again. Yeah man, gone.
You nah have them yo yard, man. Yo, gone extinct, you know. Everything gone. Classic yo. This are over 25-year-old. Or 24-year-old. Yeah, about 26-year-old. Yeah man, this are 26-year-old. They born 2000. You don't know this. Old thing. This is a real old thing. Can't see this again.
Stop it.
Right? So we are talking about river.
Yeah man. So you say, when we go down a river,
Yeah.
go we also left as a youth and go down a river.
Yeah.
A culture.
Yes,
Like
man.
we just get our boom as part of the culture where
man.
every youth usually do it right across Jamaica
Just
from
like
day
you
one.
play football. Just like you go play football, you play cricket, you play marble, you throw a gig. Everything they gone again, man. Everybody has on the tablet and phone, you know. As I talk about this, you never see a man with a yo-yo. You never see I show me a man with a yo-yo right now. A youth or a big man with a yo-yo like this. You can't see nothing like this. Old thing pass. It's a classic. Can't dead.
our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Alright then. What you get to? You get to man?
As the chemicals they take us higher.
Come go on. What are you? Come.
The night's young, and it's just begun. As she puts her hand in mine, we wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts run.
Jamaican first time culture.
As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two.
Man use Scotch bonnet more than any other pepper. Jamaican culture. Yeah man. Man use Scotch bonnet more than any other pepper. When they say Scotch bonnet, they mean Scotch bonnet.
As the afternoon, we let
Miss Berry. And now walking a bush I look for his belly again. Insect bite him up. Just walk in a bush and live natural. Now, different kind of food. Yeah man, different food. Yeah man. Yes, my peeps. Yeah, man. Normally, we just jump on my bicycle and go right the river. Boom. I will show you what we are dealing with. Person. So, I say, yeah, man. No, it's all kind of boomy and shaky. But, yeah. With my person. Nice large up conch like that. River style, my peeps. River style, you know? Come on. Out the road, me say. It's bumpy. It's bumpy, people. Already have it in sight already, you know. Yes, Jose. Change up off, people. Change up off. Can you believe it? Goats. Goaty goat. Run from me, though. Chain drop off my people. I walk from here so down the river about 2 chain left. Alright chain. Just walk past the man then I pass. I don't know where I come from. Oh. Never want to show him face to face, you know. Just strip it out on him, you know, just cut off it on him. Most people don't want it on camera, you know. Cassava ground. I plant cassava against the river. My piece then should have drip it up with the water first. I mean, put drip line in it so you can pump water to it. That's anything to have it, you know. Watch my pips. Look at that. Look at that. Normal thing that we are talking about. Run come down a river. Don't hold a chuck off. The people have throw all kind of accoutrement in there. Watch it. My peeps. Reach, you know. reach a river. See how fast? I'm gonna tell you, so we have like all hundreds of them spots here. As a country. Black River, longest river. Now St. Elizabeth. Yeah, my peeps. Look at that. Look at that, my peeps. Oh, put me cross. I don't switch cross. Now whip. So a shiny night, you know? Yeah. Go back across the water. Freelance style. What a different spot of more current. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, my peeps. Beautiful and whole heap of space. Just bare stone. And they go way up, way up, way up, and never stop. Whoa, my peeps. Look at that. Non-stop, straight. Whole heap of beauty and it go on and on and on and on. Whole heap of beauty, as we say. Look at that, my peeps. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Look at that. Look at that. Really clean water. I mean water where you can drink. Yeah, my peeps. Yes, my people. What I do? What I tell you? Let me spot ya. No normal spot them. Some secret spot them I get to see. Secret spot. Let me say secret spot. Some secret spot. Yeah, man. We have hundreds of spots, you know? This is it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know, come here. Big up yourself, my people. Yeah, man. I'm place here. Different, man. Different. Crazy water, I mean, I will not swim today. My next day, you know? No swimming today. Yeah. Go up in yourself, my people. Love you always, you know? Yeah, man. Take a sneak peek, you know? I run and come down a river. Yeah, man. Water, yeah. I'm thirsty. Yeah, man. Normal water people. Yep. Down a river, you know? It's like a your backyard. Run come here so. All in the night. The best time in the night, you know, man. When the moon shine. You come here so when the moon shine. A whole heap of history back of that. Yeah, my people. Yeah, man. People come over there so anytime, man. Every time, all the time. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself. My fans, my true fans, them. Yeah, man. I'm a river out there, you know. And there we go up the river, my peeps. So big up yourself always. Yeah, man. So, big up. Journey back home, my peeps. Journey back home. So the sun will go over the hill. That
Our hearts beat.
crazy steaming. So that sun that catch me.
Began to feel
Yeah,
the
my people.
vibe.
Journey back home.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young
So we talk about going to river
as she puts her
and come back. After you have the strength and energy back at it
chase the night.
to walk, you know. The whole heap of culture, you know. So this is one what we think it is, you know. So we do it first and show. Yeah, man. We do it first and show, you know. So now we come, my peeps. I could know me at the bicycle again, but I'm going to look. Hope they not steal it. So they not steal it, man. They not thief too much in goat boy, I just want to go over.
Laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the
And there, my peeps.